Hey guys, today we will be doing a little lip glitter inlay. For some reason I guess I forgot to record the beginning of this video. I've already started, but it's just a little bit. Right now, as you can see, I'm just putting some white acrylic on top of the natural nail, kind of blending it down. As you can see, it has a little cut and disconnect right there, so that's why whenever you do like a little ombre kind of thing, your brush has to be a little wet. I was having trouble right there. And then I was trying to cover it all up with a big bead of acrylic, and I messed up. So I just took some out, as you can see right here, and trying to blend it back into the tip. But if you messed up, just stay calm and try to fix it. If not, just leave it there. Cover it with some glitter. So right now, after blending it out, I will attempt to draw some lips with a new colored gel. Drawing the upper lip first. Trying to take a little polish at a time. Not too much, because gel will basically flow down and don't stay still, or doesn't dry until you put in the lamp. As you can see, it started to kind of run off, and sooner or later you will see me cure it first and then start on. So basically, I tried to clean up with some acetone uh, right here and trying to define the shape of how I wanted it to be. But still, I didn't cure it, so basically it was kind of going everywhere. So it was now that it came into my mind that cure as you go, not finish and then cure with gel, because it will run everywhere and mess everything up. So you guys, drawing a lip isn't as hard. So the bottom lip is just basically a moon, a sideways moon. So if you can draw a moon, you can draw some lips. And the upper lip, it is just like a kind of not defined number 3. So the upper lip is like you draw a 3, and then on the lower lip you just kind of, it's like an invert C, I would say. As you can see, I'm trying to define it again after I cure it. Okay, so now I am done with the lips. So basically, I just kind of put another wet coat over my lips and not cure it. And then put some glitter on it right here. But my mistake was that I didn't wipe off the packing layer on the lips first, on the bottom lips, and I tried to do the upper lip first, and all the glitter got stuck everywhere, and it kind of messed up my lips. Yep, I'm trying to cure it now, but another mistake, I didn't cure it all the way. So whenever I brush off the glitter off the lips, the glitter brushed off. And I try to cure it again, but now the tacky layer of gel in between it got stuck. So eventually what I did was I washed off the nail with water and file the glitter off wherever I didn't want it, and then redo it. And I just basically wipe it off with alcohol on both lips, make it not sticky, and then reapply the gel on the lips, and then put glitter on it, and make sure you cure that gel and glitter for at least 60 seconds in a UV lamp. And then you should be able to brush it off with no problem. So here I am putting some hearts on the lip. So you just need a little bit of clear acrylic on wherever you want your nail art or glitter or heart to be at. Whatever that you're putting on, you just need a little bit so it can stick on and dry quick. You don't want it to be running everywhere, or you don't want your nails to be really bulky. So more acrylic under it, you will have to basically have a thicker nail because you have to cover it with more acrylic so you won't file it off at the end. And then also, here is where you can cover all your imperfections so people can just look at the sparkles and not your mistakes. So obviously, I started off with nothing, so I had some holographic diamonds on there, and I put some on. So again, just small beads of clear acrylic, and then spread it around wherever you want it, and then put the glitter on. Then after I stick all my glitters and hearts on, I will then encapsulate with clear acrylic. Make sure you cover everything with a good amount. Whenever you cover glitter or anything that you put on any decorations, be mindful to cover a thick amount. Cover it with a thick amount of clear acrylic. You don't want to file it all off at the end and get some of your decorations, your nail art off, your hard work off. And filing time, so you just file off with any imperfections. And then I finish it off with gel top coat, top and bottom, underneath the nail to the tip, so it will be shinier. Then you cure it in a lamp. So thank you guys for watching. If you like, please like, press the button like, comment anything that you want to see, and subscribe. And remember, just pick up a brush and start.